Are you curious about the future of artificial intelligence? Will it take over the world? We asked AI itself and got some interesting answers. Keep watching to find out what it said. But before that, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. Keep watching to find out what AI said. Artificial intelligence cannot take over the world. ChatGPT from OpenAI is an example of the power of AI in performing tasks traditionally associated with cognitive work. However, the future will not only involve transferring tasks from humans to machines. When technology allows more people to complete a task with the help of a machine, the result is usually entirely new systems with new business models, jobs, and workflows. AI will be no different. To truly unleash the potential of ChatGPT, the world will need new and different types of institutions. Many people talk about the increasing power of AI, especially the new generative AI that can write code, stories, and produce outputs ranging from beautiful images to product designs. However, the biggest concern is not so much that computers will become smarter than humans, but that they will be unexpectedly smart or unexpectedly stupid due to flaws in AI code. Experts worry that if we continue to entrust them with key tasks, they may unleash what is called civilization-ending destruction. This worst-case scenario must be addressed but will not happen soon. If you have or run a medium-sized company, the pressing issue is how new developments in AI will affect your business. Our view, which reflects consensus opinion, is to deal with this change in environment as you would any major change. Don't ignore it, or try to resist it, or worry about what it might do to you. Instead, look at what you can do with change. Embrace it. Use it to your advantage. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.